Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another easy nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So to start, I'll get a glossy nail and come in with a glossy top coat. I'll be using the top coat as glue in this situation. Afterwards, I will just come in with some blue glitter. This I got from AliExpress. You can find it very cheap. So I'll pick up the glitter and put it at the tip of the nail. I'll make it more concentrated at the tip. And as I work my way down, I'll space them out a little bit. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and cure it in the UV light. And I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. Now I'll place some white flowers, those I got from AliExpress as well, into the spaces I left. And basically, I'm still using my top coat as glue. After which, I'll go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds. So here we are, and as you can see, so easy to make, it's beautiful, it's lively, and it fits perfectly for the summer. And I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.